Hello, guys. Um, this is our last Plants vs Zombies, and if you guys are questioning is why are we was long gone, and that was because there was a storm that raged on us, but it's all good now. We have electricity. The name of that storm was Glenda. A strong wind take down electricity from our house. So all of those days we didn't because there was no electricity. I just protected myself. And Joshua, if you're asking him, well, Joshua is not dead. Joshua is not dead. He just rested for no electricity. But I'm now well rested and I'm starting recording now. As you can see, I am recording the last episode of our Dwarves versus Zombies. And because you know why we ended all the mini games is because we ended all the mini games because we're gonna start a new adventure map. And I don't think how the length of those episodes is. If we get bored, we end and start new mini games is like Clan Wars or many more that we like, or maybe bring back the ended. But we won't. And now you know hi. No, hi. Why we ended all the mini games and this is the last because we're gonna make an adventure map, and now you know why we didn't video for a couple of days, maybe almost a week, because there was no electricity and our generator just broke. Sorry guys. Oh fuck, they didn't invite me. You guys didn't invite me there. You motherfucking frickies. Motherfucking frick. What the frick is? Oh no. If they're gonna do that to me, I need the wood. Oh wait. Is this an alchemist? Is this an alchemist? This guy doesn't know how a brewing stand works. Hello, Victoria. What are you doing? You motherfucking asshole. Okay, guys, we will be back. I'm just gonna pause it for a while and I'm gonna do some off this camera. But I will still, no. I'm just gonna pause it. And we're back. You can see there's only one main monument release, and I got armor, golden sword, and the fuck, and how did he get this guy? And he got all the gold. And fuck, what the frick? What the frick, man? What the frick? Oh man, these guys are so stupid, and I'm stupidly lagging. Okay, guys. Well, shit. I'm gonna block this up so I will not become a monument releases couple of minutes. They cannot pass because they're so stupid. You guys are so motherfucking stupid. Stupid teammates. I'm closing it and they breaking it. And you guys suck. Remember only Ren 123 and I was only here when Ratien, Tyrone, and Nakakuboy and Ratien just fucked up here. They are fucking motherfucking dicks. I'm on I have a nothing. Guys, please. Oh, you guys are fucking protecting me. What's why? I don't know what the fuck is that. Yo, and I have a weapon, and you know, I want a weapon so bad, yeah. And you drop me when 1, 2, 3, and I drop me 2, 1, 2, 3, and victories 13 minutes and 46 seconds, and they didn't even reply to my question. Oh fuck, someone died. I'm not gonna be the first one to die. Now am I? Nacho! I'm not gonna be the first one to die. Good, good. Yeah, this good. No? Okay guys, I'm just gonna pause this. I'm gonna go get the taco because I'm very hungry. Bye. Guys, I'm sorry. When I come back, I'm just dead, so I took time to build this. I picked an alchemy, and guys, that was it. That was my dwarf versus the zombies. Last episode. Tyrone. You're the one who killed me, bitch! Okay, guys, goodbye, and hope you enjoyed us. And by the way, we lost. Bye.